Next up in our knife review series, I'm taking a look at this little Blade Tech. I called it a bird in the introduction video. It's a cool little knife, actually. I really like it. Blade Tech is a cool company. I have lots of Blade Tech holsters, but I think they started off as knives. It's well made, it's stocky, so it's thick, even though it's little, so there's something to hold on to. It's a good weight and everything. The handles are neat. They're just plastic, but they're, you know, the perfect shape, I guess you could say. And they're nice and smooth. They're just grippy enough to not be too smooth. It's got a lot of little jimping on it and a clever little blade. It's very useful in the hand as far as a little utility knife and doing tasks and stuff. I imagine it would be good for whittling. I like the hole, and I guess they're doing this to stay away from Spyderco, I suppose, but it actually works pretty good with the shape of their grip and stuff. There's really nothing I don't like about it. The only thing I don't like about it is it's made in Taiwan. Otherwise, it was cool to have a Blade Tech. It's an AUS 8, so it's a decent metal if you like that, and nice and sharp. I never really used it. This was a specimen type, part of the collection to do a couple of things. I was looking for blade materials, so I wanted some AUS 8, and I wanted a Blade Tech. I just wanted one. So I think I bought this one off a forum, off of somebody. It says Blade Tech, Tim Werner design on this side, and over here it says SpideyGuys.com, so I don't know if that was a special run or if it just somebody put their store name on it. Anyway, I really like the clip on this one. It is tip up, which is what I prefer. It's got, you can flip it to either side, but it's with 3 little screws or what, bolts, and it's strong. This is the way I like a clip to be. It's not going to get caught on nothing. When you want it on something, it's on it, and it's not going to get broken like some of the cool wire ones. Look good, but they get broke all the time on me. Really like this one. I could see myself carrying this knife. It's blue, so it's good to go, but it's got to go. I need money for bills and stuff. So a little Blade Tech, whatever model it is. Stay tuned for more. This will be available on 24/7 Gun Show. Thanks for watching.